welcome back to Ella's Epic Times. Today I grew new hands. Dun dun dun! Just kidding, guys. Today we are going to be making slime, but the big part is I have to use these hands to do this. Dun dun dun! But I'm allowed to dump this with my real big hands because if I use these, first of all, it's too strong. Second of all, I would probably spill it. So, all you need is Elmer's glue. We got some activator, but it's glow in the dark. Okay. Got some stirring supplies, table cups, and these, but I'm not using. So, let's get right into this video. So, the things I don't need, over here. The first thing I need, here's my bowl, is some Elmer glue. I'm only gonna put a little in, but that much. So about that much in there. This to this side. So about that much in there, maybe. And now I'm gonna only be making a white slime. So let's put this in. Okay. So one. So I'm gonna first start with 2. Now it's time. This is so hard. This is so hard, guys. Like, it's so messy. It's kind of turned in. So I think I'm gonna need some more activator. Don't let that fall in. Oops. Okay, let's mix. Guys, I think it's ready to be played with. Woo. I'll see you when I get it out. I started with my little hands, but I had to really get into it and dig in it. So, now I'm just mixing it in until it gets good. It's getting sticky. And after it gets sticky, transforms into slime. Just gotta really mix it in too, sometimes. Okay, I'll see you when I get it. Guys, I got it out of the bowl. It's really clean. Now it's time to test it. So first, we're gonna test the poke. Is it good? Is it not? Keep watching this video to find out. So let's spread it out a little. And that's poke. time to test it with my real fingers. Hold on, let's make it thicker. Ready? Okay, now let's try the chop. Choppy chop. Okay. Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now let's test the bubble. Oh boy. I can't do it. Let's try it with my hands. So, have to spread it out. Woo! So, that was a great bubble! Now let's try the strap! Okay, let's try it. Yeah. Stretch! I got it! Da, da, da. Good thing I didn't get on any clothes or pants. Now let's yell, oh look at mom. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the best bubble of my whole entire life. Ready? Ready. Oh, hold on. I can do better than that. That was Let's see. Oh, guys! Also, go subscribe to my brother Leopard Bro. He's a really cool YouTuber, and he does lots of gaming videos. So go check that out. For watching this video, give us a big thumbs up and go subscribe to my brothers. Peace out.